Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. This is a video of a install we've done on this Porsche 981 GTS. We fitted a KENWOOD DMX8021DABS into this, as the original unit was faulty. This obviously gives you a proper updated technology. As you can see there, we've got the Porsche logo as a startup screen, which is a nice option. This unit has got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, digital radio, FM, all using genuine connectors, so there's no wires cut. We've also used the ACV fascia trim fibre optic adapter, because this has also got the Bose stereo system. It's a really nice integration. As you can see, here's how quick it is to get Apple CarPlay up when it's connected. You have got, press the home button there, you have got favourites that you can change if you wanted to, so you can move these from one place to another. We've actually got a original USB, as you can see there, that original USB works as well. All the parking sensors are tone only, so that you know they all come through the sound system, no problem at all. If you'd like to have this done in your Porsche 981, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.